So today we're talking about different kinds of loans, different loan programs. One thing is with ITIN numbers and how to get a loan, that is something possible. So I'm here with Lucia from SWBC Mortgage. Let's just start at the basic question. What is an ITIN number?
So an ITIN number is a number that people get from the IRS to be able to report their taxes. We report with their social security numbers, business report with their EIN numbers, and people that are not citizens or have their residency here get an ITIN number to be able to do their taxes since they work here year round and be able to report.
Okay, and it's been a misconception, I thought, for a long time that you can't get a home loan if you have an ITIN number. That's something you guys can loan on?
Yes, we could definitely loan on ITIN numbers. We do have a great program that we are just started. Quick and easy to be able to apply. Has some of the similarities as applying for like a conventional loan or FHA with their down payment and credit. The great thing about the ITIN is that we don't use FICO scores. We don't get from all the three major creditors. We just use the TransUnion credit, which is great. So yes, they do have to have credit established to be able to obtain just like everybody else. But it is obtainable, and that's the great thing is that people with ITIN numbers have the opportunity to be able to apply for a mortgage loan.
So you only use one of the credit bureaus, the TransUnion. What else do people need to know if they're applying with an ITIN number? Is there anything else different they need to be aware of when they apply? Or have maybe lined up before they apply?
They definitely have to have credit established with the TransUnion. They do have to have the 2-year work history. We do accept seasonal, which is also great. Seasonal workers can apply. People think because they're seasonal and don't have a steady job with one employer that they're not able to qualify. But with the ITIN program that we offer, we do accept seasonal as long as they have the 2-year record. Then the credit score could be as low as 620 with TransUnion only. Down payment is about 15% down with the ITIN program.
So on the ITIN loan, is there options? Is this only for primary residences, investment properties? Are there any restrictions that way?
Well, actually with our program, the great thing about it is that it could be primary, it could be their second home, and it could also be an investment they could purchase with an ITIN program. And even with the down payments, a lot of the investments are just with most loans, they have to have it already in the bank for about 2 months. With ours, the down payment can be gifted. Okay,
so there's a lot of options on the ITIN loan.
Is.
Just like most of the other loan programs, really. It's very similar.
It is.
In most regards.
Yeah, and they're quick. From beginning to end, usually we'll get them done within 30 days. Is the average turnaround.
On the ITIN loan, is it just primary residence, or are there other options there for types of loans?
Well, the great thing about our program, our ITIN program, is that you could do primary, you could do second homes, you could even do investments, you could also do refinancing and cash out refinance. So there's a lot of options with our ITIN program. It's just not limited to the primary. And the great thing too is that our funds for the down payment, for most investments, they have to be tenured in an account for about 2 months to use funds for an investment. With ours, it could also be gifted. So that's a great thing is that you can get your down payment gifted as well.
So it's really similar, if not the same as all the other loan programs.
Yes, there's not a major difference between them, between the conventional and the FHAs. They are similar when it comes down to what is needed, the down payment requirements, and how to obtain the down payment.
So that's great. So if you're looking for a home loan and you have an ITIN number, this is another option with SWBC Mortgage that maybe you or a family member might want to look into. I'm Brad with Keller Williams. If you're looking to buy or sell a home, call me 509-312-0921. If you're ready to apply for a mortgage and have more questions about ITIN or other lending programs, call Lucia at SWBC Mortgage. Lucia, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Best way to get a hold of me, my cell phone number, 509-480-3759. Reach me anytime, text message me. I'm glad to be able to contact you back.
All right. Thank you, Lucia.
Thank you, Brad.